Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys the products that I got from Beauteskin Naturals, and I'm also going to be testing out their Dermaroller today. So it's going to be my very first time to try a Dermaroller, and inside it has the Dermaroller. I actually just learned that there are different sizes for the needles for the Dermarollers. I got the 0.50. The one they use for acne scars is the 1.50 millimeter. By the way, if you guys are interested in their Dermaroller, if you guys are ever gonna purchase this from their website, you can use the code RESTORE100. So there you go. And they also have the vitamin C and E serum right here. And I think you're supposed to use this after using the Dermaroller. So it says here it's a collagen booster plus also whitens dark spots. This is exactly what I need. I have a few dark spots on my face. They give me a hair scrunchie. Oh my gosh, I've been so into hair scrunchies. A girl need millions of hair scrunchies because they just get lost. I think this is a face cleaner which has two sides. The other side is a silicone and the other side is just soft bristles, which is nice. I love face cleaners like this because I feel like your hands, it's really not enough, so it's nice to have something like this, an extra tool to clean your face. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Dermaroller. I already soaked this in alcohol for I think more than 7 minutes. Soak in 75% alcohol for 4 to 7 minutes. I already did that. Wash your face and dry it with clean towel. I also already did that. This camera really zooms. Everything is perfect for macro shots. You can see all the details. So as you can see, it's not really that long as compared to something that you'll use for acne scars. And this is mostly for skin aging, wrinkles and fine lines, hair stimulation, enlarged pores, and hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And it's so perfect because I don't really have acne scars. So everything they mentioned right here, I have those skin concerns. But for the 1.50 millimeters, that's for acne scars and pimple marks. So I have this one from just a really, like one of those cheap Dermarollers. And this one is actually 1.5 millimeters. So I'm just gonna do a comparison really quickly. I didn't use this because I feel like it's way too harsh for my... It's gonna be way too harsh for my skin since I don't have acne scars. So you can really see the difference right there. This is definitely more shorter and this is longer. It's for acne scars, stretch marks. So this for skin aging, wrinkles, enlarged pores. So this is exactly what I need. You're supposed to use this 2 to 3 times a week for the 0.50 millimeter, and then for the acne scars, if you bought the 1.50 millimeters, you're supposed to use this 1 to 2 times a week. Since the needles are shorter, you can use this more than once or twice a week. Yeah, it says here 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys my skin concerns and why I'm using the Dermaroller. I have kind of large pores on my cheeks. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you guys my naked skin right now. I'm gonna use my lamp so you guys can really see. So I have kind of large pores right here. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't have any foundation on or anything. I have this dark spot right here that I have been trying to remove for so long. I tried removing this with a warts removal pen, but it's still there. I have this scar from my chickenpox when I was younger. And then ignore this pimple that I have right here. I got it from a cream that I tested out last week. And actually in the instructions it says the first week you're gonna get acne, and I kind of ignored that. But yeah, it's already there, but we're not gonna touch that. From acne that I got like a year ago, and it left these deep scars. I think there's like 2 deep scars there. And of course on my nose I have enlarged pores. So I'm hoping that this can fix my skin concerns. Alright, let's just go ahead and start rolling. So I think we're gonna start first with this side of my face. So it says here like this. Some people recommend applying a numbing cream, but I think I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna start first with the areas that I'm most concerned about. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then right here. So actually I have high pain tolerance when it comes to my face. I actually just did whitehead and blackhead extraction yesterday myself So I always touch my face right here. This is just going to create like channel of wounds on your skin, and what it does is it's giving your skin chance to heal and chance to make new skin. So of course new skin means fresh and baby skin, like brand new and fresh young looking skin. So that's what we're all looking for here. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna count like 5, I think, and then like this. I'm actually not pushing too hard. I don't want to shock my skin too much, so I'm not really pushing too hard. And I'm also gonna do right here. I wonder if it's okay to do this on your entire face. Then I'm gonna move on to this part. It actually doesn't hurt. You can kind of feel the needles running on your skin, but it's not painful. Well, at least for me. So I'm gonna go like this, and then like this. Wherever I see enlarged pores, I go over it with the Dermaroller. Like I said, my skin has really high pain tolerance when it comes to things like this, because if you guys know me, I love testing out things like this for my skin. So here I have Poshmark. I just want to get rid of this. And then on the sides of my nose, I have large pores here, and this is where usually oil comes out. I actually don't know if you're supposed to do this fast or not. Alright, right here. I'm not sure if I'm being too gentle or the pressure that I'm applying is enough. But yeah, right here. And then like this. On this side, I have large pores as well. I think I'm gonna stop talking and just show you guys the process, because I'm just basically running this over the areas that I want to improve. And then I have this annoying dark spot right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna get rid of this, hopefully. Here, probably on my left line as well, why not? I have this line. You guys see that? Like small line. I know some people also use this for their scalp. It also says here hair stimulation. Okay. I can update you guys, I think, next week how my skin looks. My skin is used to skin tools like this. I do blackhead, whitehead extractions. I use the warts removal pen on my face, and I also use chemical peeling. So that is why my skin is not that sensitive to things like this. So even after rolling again and again, my skin is not turning red or anything, but I can feel like right here, I feel a little bit of burning sensation right here, because this is where I've been focusing the Dermaroller, but nothing super uncomfortable or whatever. I almost don't feel anything, just because, like I said, my skin is really used to things like this. How long am I supposed to do this, by the way? It didn't really say much about the time, like how long you're supposed to do this. Roll gently in 4 different directions. Please do not roll on active or sensitive area of the face. When should I stop? So I am just going to do a little bit more. I have a kind of textured skin right here. Hopefully it helps there. So I feel like, since the purpose of this is to create tiny wounds on your face, I feel like I need to stop when I feel like I have given it enough wounds on my face. Right now, my skin still feels really normal. I don't see any redness. Yeah, the right way to do it is, I think, like this, and then like this. Before I stop rolling, I'm going to give you guys a really close-up look on how dermarolling looks like. These are my pores. So I'm just going to run the roller like this. So as you can see, there's really no redness happening right now. I don't know if it's just my skin, but I really don't feel much pain. So even if I apply a little bit of pressure, like, my skin can actually take it. So I'm gonna do it this way. I don't know if you guys can see my pores right here. So that's what I'm trying to get rid of. And then right here, there, those two pieces. But I already ran this over that area many times, so I think that's enough for now. I'm just gonna focus it here. And then on this side, I have this sunspot. And oh my gosh, I've had this scar for my chicken pox when I was younger, so I hope I can get rid of that. This is the only treatment that I can do with it. I don't wanna, some people put Botox, but I'm not gonna go that far. I can only do at home treatments like this. And now it's time to apply their vitamin C serum. The Beauteskin Vitamin C and E Serum. And the good thing about this is it has collagen booster, and plus it whitens dark spots. So I'm really excited for that vitamin C and E serum. It says here only vitamin C serum, but on the box it says vitamin C and E. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. I was actually expecting my face to be more red, but it's actually not. I think the great thing about using a same serum from the same brand is they actually designed this to work with the Dermaroller, so it's nice to have like a set like this so that you know that you are doing the correct steps and you're not just using any other serum after dermarolling. But so far so good. I actually like how my skin feels. It's good that I don't feel any pain or whatsoever. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Alright, so I'm glad that you watched the entire process. So now I can finally tell you guys my final thoughts about this Dermaroller. To be completely honest with you, you can't get the effects that you can get from this from any cream that is out in the market unless it's a chemical peel, just because something like this will give you really instant results. It really made my pores so much smaller, and I know that if I continue using this, it's going to make my skin absolutely flawless. I tried chemical peels and it really works as well, but the great thing about the Dermaroller is that it creates tiny wounds on your face, which makes your skin think like, oh, I need to make new and fresh skin. So just think about when you accidentally get wound. Like, let's say I have this scratch right here. I accidentally scraped my skin with some metal when I was outside, and as you can see, I don't need to put anything here and it's going to heal naturally because like I said, your body will naturally detect that it needs to make new skin. So that is the same idea with Dermarollers. The best thing I really like about this is you'll get instant results. Like I said, you can use a lot of moisturizers, different brands of serums, but it's not gonna give you instant results like this. You'll see results in as quick as 2 to 3 days. Depends on how fast your skin heals, but it's a more effective way to shrink your pores and just give your skin a more youthful look. You're not using like a machine or anything like that. You're in control of the device or the tool. If you're scared to try Dermarollers, I suggest go ahead and try first the 0.5mm. If you have really deep acne scar, you can start with this and then move on to the bigger size needles. But for me, it really works. I know that it makes a difference just because whenever I apply my makeup, the foundation just goes inside my pores. After dermarolling my skin with this, I feel like the foundation applies smoother, and then whenever I look at myself with completely no makeup on, I don't see my pores that visible anymore as compared to before using this. Make sure to do your own research before using something like this, because I did, and you have to make sure that you're using it correctly. And number one is you have to be really sanitary when you're using this. Your hands have to be clean, your face have to be clean, and you have to sanitize the Dermaroller itself before using it. And then after that, you don't really need to wash your face. Actually, you shouldn't wash your face after this because just like with any wound, it needs to stay dry so that it will heal faster. So I would rate their Dermaroller definitely 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna continue using this, but for now that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!